What you think? We're doing the scam without any security?
Yeah.
No one catch me.
No one?
I just charged to chase credit card $17,000.
You're a nasty person.
And I
So
chased debit card.
saying that like from West Fargo, but it's not. I'm gonna show you guys now. Watch until the end. Hello?
Yes, I believe I'm talking to Mr. Ozzy Balkas.
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Ozzy. This is the call from the Wells Fargo. My name is Corey on the Merca and the Corded line. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Doing great, sir. Actually, there was 2 recent charges on your account, so just wanted to ask you that. Did you make any online purchase today with your card?
Yes, I did.
Then tell me the purchase that you made from your card.
What was it?
I said that. Can you tell me the purchase that you made from your card?
Yeah, I bought some screens from eBay.
Okay.
Why? Any problem?
Okay. I see there was an Amazon charge too on the card for $1,750.
How much?
Buying a virtual gift card. $1,750 buying a virtual gift card.
1,700?
Yeah, $1,750.
No, I didn't. I didn't purchase anything like that.
Okay, gotcha. Well, that's the charge that we see on the account. Now, what about the charge at Air Malaysia? That was a ticket reservation for $2,750, sir. Do you recognize that charge?
Which country?
To Air Malaysia.
No. No, it's not me.
Well, that was a charge. Okay, well, that was a charge came on the account, so that's why we calling you and asking you about that certain purchases. As you say no on that charge is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna be just go ahead and mark this charge as a fraud, and that charge won't be posted towards the account as you say no on that charges. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, just wanted to make sure, sir, you still have your business card with you, or did you report a loss was stolen? The card begins with 474165.
No, I have it.
Great. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and get you over to the account manager, and he will be further assist you regarding those charges, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Now, you said that you used the card today at eBay, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. And I need to ask you some couple of questions. And do you have any co-signer on the account who can use the card on behalf of you?
No, it's only
making
me.
those purchases?
No, it's only me.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so once we just go ahead and close this card, I wanted to ask you that are you able to receive a new card on the address that is 2283 East Main Street, Bridgeport, Kentucky 06610.
Wait, what state?
Let me check this state for you, sir. It's Connecticut.
Yeah, I thought you said Kentucky.
I'm so sorry about that. I misunderstood. It's Kentucky and Connecticut,
It's the same, right? It sounds the same.
Yeah. So the zip code was 06610. Are you able to receive a new card on that address?
Yes. So you're gonna send me a new card?
Yeah, definitely. Once we just go ahead and taking care of the charges, we're gonna be send out the new replacement card to you on that address. So you will be get the new card within the next 2 to 5 business days. Okay.
Okay.
Great. So, do you have your card with you right now at the moment? So, before I just go ahead and
Yes, I
the
do.
account manager.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Give me just a moment, okay?
Okay.
Let me just get your code transferred to the account manager, okay? Hold on.
Okay. They're bullshitting. So let's see where they're gonna take it. Just put them on silent. This is crazy. That's how they get you.
I'll stay on the line, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
I want you guys to listen until the end to see what they say. So this is like, there are some people out there, they will believe for this. So happened to me once, but they call me from different bank and I didn't have even the information. When you get the call,
I'll
it shows
stay on
as
the
a
line. The
bank.
account manager is with you shortly, okay?
Okay, how long will it take? Because I'm a little bit busy.
It's just gonna be 2 to 3 minutes whole time, because the account manager is dealing with the other customers as well.
Oh yeah.
So once he just free, we got a lot of calls from the customers that they have a
You
fraud
can-
on their card.
You can help
Yep.
me because I have to leave. It's getting
Oh,
late.
I understood that. Okay, I understood that, but that there was the authorities and there was a person who was signed on your account who can just take care of that fraud case. Because do you have a pen and a paper right now, Mr. Ozzy? So you can write down your case ID number.
Oh yeah, what's the case ID number?
Sure, let me know when you're ready, okay?
I am ready.
Okay, it's RRR Romeo followed by 185 65241.
Okay.
You want me to repeat back to you?
No, that's fine. I got it.
Okay, give me just a moment. Let me
Alright.
just check the account manager is free now or not, okay?
Yeah, please.
If he's not,
I have to leave.
Yeah, if he-
I'm just waiting for you.
okay. Oh, okay. So once he just not free, I'll let you know and I can further proceed you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let me just take a look, okay? Let me just try to get hold of him, okay? Hold on.
Okay. I'm just gonna waste them their time. They're crazy. They keep calling from Wells Fargo. The name shows as in Wells Fargo, or the name shows also Bank of America. And I have seen some similar videos. People got scammed. They actually pay for them. So I'm gonna see where they're gonna get it, like how this is going to end. But let's see. He's just bullshitting. He's just waiting for me to say, I'm gonna make him now. He might curse at me. Happens once. Excuse me, I'm a little bit busy. I have to leave.
I'm sorry, sir. You have to leave now?
Yes, I'm about to leave. If the manager is gonna come, I can wait. If not, I'm gonna leave.
Okay. So is there gonna be any good time we can give you a call back?
No, because I'm gonna go somewhere. I have to meet with somebody. I'm gonna be on a meeting.
How about tomorrow?
No, I'm like, if you can do it now, it's better because you said, I have fraud charges on my account, so I don't want someone to steal my money.
Right. We put a block on the charges and we put a block on the card right now, sir. We put a freeze on the account.
So I should be good to go?
That is right, sir. You will be getting your new card in next 3 to 5 business days on your primary address, 2283 East Main Street. Okay.
Okay, so I'm all set?
That is right, sir.
So I don't need to talk to manager?
No, sir. You don't have to talk with the manager over here. I just cancel the card and I mark the charge as a fraud on the account.
Oh yeah, you did?
That's right, sir.
So which country was the what do you call the transactions?
The transaction came from Malaysia, sir.
Yeah.
Yep, Malaysia.
But how come I don't have Wells Fargo account? How come I'm getting the charge?
I'm sorry?
I don't have Wells
There is
Fargo.
a debit card, sir.
No, I don't
There
have.
is a debit card under your name.
Not really.
That is right. A business debit card under your name, sir.
No, I don't have it.
Why the system shows me that you have a business debit card under your name?
Oh, maybe your system shows wrong, or maybe you stopped
No, sir.
scamming people. How about that?
No.
No?
No.
Huh? You got caught?
No.
You got caught now?
You're wrong.
I'm wrong, or you are
Yep.
dumb,
You're wrong.
or you think that I'm smarter than you know? Huh? You got caught?
Okay. Okay.
Huh? How many people you guys doing this?
Lots of.
Lots of,
We
right?
haven't count.
Yeah.
We haven't count how many people.
Yeah. How many people you
I
can scam?
just charged right now. 10 minutes ago from now, $17,000.
Yeah. And then you happy about it?
Yeah. First, I charged $5,000 with a debit card. Then I charged a credit card.
I don't think you ever seen $5,000 in your life altogether.
Chase credit card. I just charged a Chase credit card $17,000.
You're a nasty person.
And
So
a Chase debit card.
yes. And you feel proud about it?
Right. I feel proud of.
I hope somebody
proud.
catch you. Don't worry. Somebody will
No,
catch you.
no one's catch me.
No
We are-
one?
We are
Well-
not idiot. If we're doing scam, what you think? We're doing scam without any security?
Yeah.
You're a fool.
You
if you
think
think that.
you think you're too smart, right?
If you think we are doing the scam without any security, without any protocol, then you're a foolish person.
Oh yeah. You'll see yourself
Yeah.
on the news. How about that?
If you can catch me, you can track me. Go on. I'm on the
Okay.
line.
Okay. Somebody will
Tell me what's my
definitely.
location.
Which
Tell me
location?
what's my location.
Huh?
Tell me what's my location. If you can track me, you can track my phone number.
Don't worry about it.
Go on.
Somebody will find you.
No.
Don't worry about it. You should
Oh, fuck
shame
you.
yourself, man. You should shame of yourself.
No.
Yes,
no
you
one
should.
can find us.
Yeah.
No.
You're a nasty person.
You were. I'm not.
You see? That's what I want. Someone, please go after these people if you can track it and then see who they are. The call comes from Wells Fargo. It shows it in Wells Fargo. And earlier, I got a call also saying Bank of America also. So they've been trying to get people.